Hey guys, so today I just wanted to share with you this air dry clay from Amazon. It was only like £5 and you get all these colours, and I was really impressed with my first time using it, just all the little things that you can make. So I just thought I'd do a quick video giving my thoughts of the pros and cons and see if you wanted to try it yourself. You even get these little tools in there, so value for money. Looks really good so far. So yeah, look, we get all these lovely colours. I've not used this air dry clay before, and one thing I did notice that some of the packets, when you open them, it's all dried out, so there must have been like a little gap or something. But that was only like 3 packets out of the whole 24, which I thought still very good. And you can mix the colours as well to get different colours, which I thought was really great as well. You also get some little extra bags in there, so when you do mix other colours, you can store them in the bags, and I'm guessing you really have to make sure they're sealed up tight though, or they will dry out. It also states on the packaging that this is non-toxic, which is good to hear. So I was going to start out and try and make some like little donuts. So I wanted a lighter colour brown, so I was going to mix some of this brown with some of the white. And I just mixed a tiny bit of yellow in there as well to give it a bit more of a goldeny colour. Measuring out little amounts and then just roll that around. And just make some little flat discs. This is one of the tools that came included, and I'm just going to use that to make the middle of our donuts. And it goes out of shape quite quickly, so you have to be quite light to the touch. Another thing I found is the colours, they stick together when they're not dry, super easy. So it can be a con if you make a mistake and you want to try and take something off. It's quite difficult. So I'm going to let those little donuts dry before I put the icing on. Flatten it out. And then you just lay that on top. And again, use your tool to go down the middle. And using the same colour, I thought, well, I've got some left, I'll make a little pizza base. Spread out some of the yellow for the cheese on the top of our pizza. Okay, let's cut some little bits of red and green. We'll whack them on top. And lastly, put some little black dots on there for olives. And I wanted to see if I could make a little frog, because I just love frog. Just roll a little ball. And then just make 2 smaller balls for the eyes. Now there's our head, and then we take our little balls and just pop them on. Okay, I'm just going to make 2 little indents using the end of a paintbrush there, and then we can just pop in our little black balls. I'm going to use this little tool that came with it to make a little mouth. Measure 2 little bits for the feet and I'm going to make them little ovals, so just side to side, like so. And then we can just sit him on those. Okay, let's make our little fish. So we're just going to roll that, and I think we pull the tail out and flatten that down. Okay, so just use our fingers to shape, and then I think we're just going to cut this like that. And I'm just going to make a couple of fins. Let's put some detail on those. Let's do the little eye. Adding a little bit of glitter glue to the top of this donut for like a sugary look. So yeah, definitely lots of pros to this air dry clay. It kind of dries a little bit, almost foamy, like a foam, and it's very lightweight. And although you can't get the detail in this clay that you can in like polymer clay, it's great for making miniature doll's house items and food. You could make little earrings and things like that. And it's so cheap, like £5 for all those colours and the little tools and everything. It was great value for money. I'll pop a link in the description box below in case you want to try this particular air dry clay yourself. Really hope you've enjoyed this little video just demonstrating how to use the air dry clay. I'd never used it before and I think it's a lot of fun. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this little video and we'll see you back here soon.